Welcome back to Maro's Tech YouTube channel. So many people in Uganda are saving money using the Airtel Super Saver account with KCB Bank. But recently, some users are seeing a response code 502 mapped as failure when trying to withdraw their money. So let me show you what you are seeing. The *185# I'm going to be showing you what you are going to be seeing and how to solve it. And then option 7, which is financial services, and then option 9, which is saving. And then after, people are seeing this response code 502 mapped as a failure when trying to withdraw their money. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your money correctly and what to do if you encounter this error. So today's tutorial will guide you step by step on how to withdraw money from Airtel Uganda Super Saver linked with KCB Bank Uganda. So many users keep their savings in this account because it is secure and easy to access through Airtel Money. So, however, some users recently reported an error message called response code 502 mapped as failure. So in this video, we'll learn how to withdraw money from Airtel Super Saver, what response code 502 means, and then the possible solution if the withdrawal fails. So as I've told you that we are going to dial *185#, and then we are going to select option 7. I'm going to be demonstrating this for the second time, and then choose savings, which is option 9, and then you're going to be seeing this message. It is what we're going to be dealing with. So this error usually means temporary server communication problem, network delay between Airtel Money and the KCB Bank systems, service maintenance or system congestion, and these are the possible solutions. You can wait a few minutes and try again, check your network signal, restart your phone, contact Airtel Money customer care, visit the nearest Airtel service center. So this is an important note, like some users in Uganda hacked the Airtel Uganda and the KCB Bank systems, and so all the money that was being saved at the KCB Bank was taken by unknown users. So KCB Bank right now doesn't have that money, and it has closed its systems until it catches those hackers, so that they can repay your money. And if they repay your money, they will open up the systems. Maybe we can give them like 3 to 4 months. Thank you guys for following Maro's Tech. Let us meet in the comment section. And this is my conclusion. Withdrawing money from Airtel Super Saver linked to KCB Bank is normally simple and fast. If you see this response code mapped as failure, it's usually a temporary system issue that can be resolved by retrying later or contacting support. Always monitor your transaction and report any suspicious activity. And this video is for demonstrational, research and education purposes only. You guys are requested to follow up with the local laws, follow internet service providers terms and conditions, and then I sign out.